The Faith Rhythm was a big hit back in 1998, and one of the biggest songs was Ooh Ha Ha by dancehall artist Hawkeye. Let's get the backstory behind that song in our Phil Culture segment.
Oh, she be chatting on your face and she every day she dress up in the same. From you see them here say she no wash her.
Skip it away! You know this is Hawkeye. I'm making know say yo, reggae and dancehall is my culture. You don't know. That's the thing there. I'm out. Skip it bye! How that song came about is a whole heap of little thing around that song. I remember one time I went to England with Rat and Goofy when we were at Main Street. At that time, when we finished performing this show, I mean, people used to come to us and say, yo, we don't understand what you guys are saying, but we love the vibe. Because at the time, fast DJing used to happen and stuff like that. I wanted to slow things down so they could understand. And if you notice, Hawkeye is one of the artists with DJ English, basically.
Look for your hat in a mini, hat in a tight and hat in a your short. You live in a mansion, you not live a street or in a park.
I was at the studio one day when Richie D, a producer he used to live in Florida, Miami at the time, and he came here. He was doing some work at Main Street studio where I was. Something just came in my ears and said, hoo ha ha. And I said, wait, what that? Hoo ha ha.
Because I know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half. Girl see your hand and say that you up all a half.
First time I heard that on radio, I was like, yo, mind blown, because, you know, I mean, by that time I was kind of used to hearing my song on radio, but for know that at that time Main Street was basically, you know, Danny turned Christian, and that song blew up right after Danny turned Christian. So it's like it just propelled me into the year 2000, because that was like late 99. It propelled me into 2000 as Hawkeye and not Hawkeye Main Street crew. You understand what I'm saying? So it put me upon an individual artist break. You know, that song actually started my career on the personal, on an individual level, I should say. So, you know, we give thanks. Ooh, aha, big song. And you know the ladies, them love it, don't it?
But if they mind them own a business, them better. How they be chatting on your face and them ooh, aha.
Whole heap of doors. You know, the thing about it is not just one song, because you know them time you have to have, it's like you have to have song and song and song. It's like it was a whole chain reaction of things happening. Ooh, ha, ha, no one move. Just propel that Hawkeye to an individual entertainer. You know, so from there, it wasn't any looking back, you know? It just keeps soaring.
Hey, make a girl know you have your bank book. You not be sponge for no girl pot we cook. Make a girl know say you know have no tough foot. That's why when you go to road a yo man a look.
So you don't know say it's summertime, you know. So we try to go for you if we ask some of the students them, what are your plans? Let's hear their responses in our Why Pree Vox Pop segment.
Why Pree?
I might focus on a new skill, you know, I start this DJ thing. I might focus on that, work more on it and, you know, build up myself.
I'm going to take a trip over to New York, going to stay over there for the summer, and then right back onto campus.
Well, up on the travels, work on travels.
Yeah man, something like that.
That.
I have a few businesses lined up, you know, a few ventures, so I'll still be productive, but not overseas.
So I have a few plans for the summer. They entail, you know, traveling, and you know, some planning for the upcoming semester. I'm a part of the Guild of Students, so yeah, goodly plan for the upcoming semester, you know, be a thing for going, so they have to execute effectively, you know.
So for all of our university viewers online, what are your plans for the summer? Let us know on all our social media platforms at Pree This Show on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and of course the comment section on YouTube. And tune in next week for more Why Pree.
Why Pree?
Big up the Everdale Massive, you know. You were very good to us today. But until next time, you don't know I'm your boy Naldo Addis, signing out for this week's episode of Pree This Show. We check in with Manchester artists. But that was a sweepstake. We check in with Manchester artists. Sweepstake. And you don't know say it's summertime, you know. So, Just like that, we are now in June, which marks the halfway. Come on, get me a ramble.